the Royal Rumble collection sets, and welcome to my new channel called The Wrestling Network. My name is Charlie, and this is Roman Reigns, Rusev, Daniel Bryan, Dean Ambrose, Dolph Ziggler, Boogeyman, Stardust, Kane, R-Truth, Antonio Cesaro, and Bray Wyatt. So now I'm going to open it, but my dad took off the tape because there was tape. This box is still hard. Daddy, there's tape right here, but I can open it. I opened it. I'm opening it. I'm opening it. Wow, this is actually really harder than I thought it would be. Can you help? I can't do this. Okay, I got it. Oh, I pushed it back in. Okay, there we go. Let's get it out. There, we got it out. Let's get everyone out. Yeah. This is harder than I thought it would be, but you can get it in stores. Okay, this is going to be very hard, but I'm still going to try and do it. You're gonna have to open it. Daddy?